Good evening. Is the microphone working properly? Can people hear me? We're here for a public comment hearing for the Public Utilities Commission. I'm Meg Turney. I'm the chairperson of the Public Utilities Commission. With me up here are my fellow commissioners, Marigold and Abigail Anthony. Abigail Anthony. We also have some staff with us as well. Our financial guy, Alan Nault, and our policy person, Todd Bianca. Before we get into more of the specifics of tonight, I just want to explain that this is a public comment hearing, and the purpose of the hearing is for us, the PUC commissioners, to hear from any members of the public who wish to provide oral comment on any and all aspects of the rate case, National Grid's rate case, docket number 4770. Any member of the public can come to any of these hearings and provide oral commentary, and anyone is entitled to also provide written comments. You can send them by letter to the PUC's offices. You can do it online. And the public comment in all matters before us, and particularly in major rate cases like this, is very important. We are required to consider it all in our deliberations and our decision making, and we're very interested in hearing from people about their opinion on the rate case. Some people mistakenly think that the public comment hearing is an opportunity to ask questions and get answers from members of the commission. It's not that. And if you know anything about legal matters, you would recognize that it would be inappropriate for us. We are the ones who will ultimately be the deciders in the rate case. We have to keep an open mind. We have to wait until all of the information, all of the evidence from all of the other parties, as well as the utility has an opportunity to put on their case before we can come to a decision. So we want to make sure that we are not in a position where we give people the misimpression that we might have already formed an opinion about the rate case or any part of it. And so that's why we can't engage in a give and take a conversation while we're on the record here. We recognize, however, that people do come to these kinds of hearings with a lot of questions. And the utility in particular is going to provide an opportunity for people at the close of the hearing. If you do have questions and you want to talk to people from the utility, they are here specifically to provide answers to you if they can. And when I turn it over to the utilities lawyer, she'll explain a little bit more about that. But I just wanted to make sure that people's expectations about what we do at these hearings were not, that they hadn't been led to believe it's something other than what it is. Okay, and so now, before the utility launches into its explanation, a little presentation for you about the rate case, I would ask the attorney representing the Division of Public Utilities and Carriers, he's from the Attorney General's office, Leo Wall, to explain the role of the division in the rate case.
Thank you, Chairperson Kern. My name is Leo Wold, and I represent the Division of Utilities and Carriers. The division is the body of the state that is assigned to investigate the rate filing by the utilities. And to that end, what we do is we hire a team of experts, independent consultants, who examine every facet of the utilities filing. Should the division find issues that particular concern the ratepayers, we bring them to the attention of the utility. We attempt to discuss those issues with the utility. If we can reach an agreement, we will resolve those issues, and then those resolutions are put forward to the Public Utilities Commission in the form of a settlement. The Commission will then hold a hearing regarding that settlement to determine whether it's just, reasonable, and in the public interest. If the division cannot reach agreement with the utility regarding issues in terms of the rates that it's going to charge the people of the state of Rhode Island regarding its gas and electric distribution service, then we will contest those issues before the Public Utilities Commission through the hearing process, and the Commission will decide those issues relative to what the division puts forward before the Commission in its case. With that, I've concluded remarks, and I look forward to hearing your public comment, and I look forward to seeing you throughout the Commission's both the public comment and hearing process. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I'm just going to read from the notice for this hearing. This is relating to the case in the Narragansett Electric Company doing business as National Grid's application to change electric and gas-based distribution rates, docket number 4770. In this docket, the PUC will examine the propriety of an application by National Grid seeking approval to increase base distribution rates for its electric distribution and gas distribution operations in Rhode Island. As submitted, the company requests approval of certain rate-making proposals designed to recover the costs incurred to operate the electric and gas distribution systems on a safe and reliable basis for their customers. Their proposals include increased staffing, including positions for new electric and gas workers, computer system upgrades, cost recovery procedures for major storm events, a multi-year enterprise-wide gas operations program that will enhance National Grid's core gas operating capabilities necessary to support the company's U.S. gas distribution business into the future, new programs and services for income-eligible customers, and increased investment in current income-eligible customer offerings. The Energy Innovation Hub, located in Providence, designed to expand customer education and outreach and to enrich customers' understandings of energy and the options available to them to manage their own energy use. For National Grid, the proposed rates, and these include the rate, I believe, did they include the adjustment for the new taxes? Yes. Okay. The proposed rates would increase the company's annual operating revenue by approximately $41.3 million, or 4.6%, with varying impact on individual customer bills. The monthly bill impact for a typical electric residential customer using 500 kilowatts per hour per month would be an increase of $6.66 per month, or 6.3%. The monthly bill impact on electric commercial and industrial customers will range from an increase of approximately 3% to an increase of approximately 9%. For National Grid Gas, the proposed rate will increase the company's annual operating revenue by approximately $30.3 million, or 8%, with varying impacts again on individual customer bills. The annual bill impact for a typical residential gas customer consuming 845 therms annually would be an annual increase of $66.82, or 5.4%. The annual bill impact on gas commercial and industrial customers will range from an increase of approximately 1% to approximately 6%. The PUC may approve the rates that the company presents. The PUC may approve different rates that may be higher or lower than those proposed by National Grid.
Chairperson, if I might.
Yes.
I didn't realize that's what you were reading from. That is the original filing.
So that does not include the lower costs related to the change in federal taxation.
Correct. The tax change that took effect for 2018 was subsequent to that notice being submitted. So there is back at the office the request that the company provided indicating what the effect of that would be.
So the good news is the initial request is already lower than it was. Now I am going to turn it over to Raquel Webster, Counsel for National Grid.